friends, today I'll be teaching you how to make milk cookies. Here's the thing you'll need to make this. You will need some milk powder. You will also need some corn flour, sugar, and all-purpose flour. So first we'll start by putting 1 tablespoon of butter. And then you will be adding 2 tablespoons sugar. Next, you will need a whisk. You can use a spoon as well, but whisks are better. And you will mix it. After mixing your sugar and butter, it should look fluffy like this. Next, you want to take your sieve, and you're going to take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and you're just going to pour it through your sieve. Next, you're going to take your corn flour, 1 tablespoon. And you're going to take a spoon and just sieve it through. And now you're going to add your milk powder. This is 1 tablespoon, and you're going to put it through the sieve. You're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. That again through the sieve. Now we will mix everything. You can add vanilla essence if you want. It is optional. Now we are going to add milk for binding. You're going to add 1 spoon of it. And you can mix. You can add 2 to 3 more spoons of milk if needed. You want to get a dough-like texture to work with. Then you can take small balls of it and make round, smooth balls. You're going to flatten it a little and put a thumbprint. Just like this. Now you want to make more of these. You can make approximately 11 cookies with this amount. Bake these cookies at 160 degrees, 20 minutes. So my cookies have been finished baking. This is what they look like. And if you break it, they are nice and soft from the inside, and they are vanilla flavored. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get to know when I make my latest videos. Please like this video.